Was that for my body? This is nothing compared to that thing I do. You see that this thing, you learned it in school, it's inherited from your grandfather. Wow.
Yours is gift.
I think yours is both, man. Yeah. Like the ones in the village don't know how to use a computer. Oh! I fell out of my soul. Oh yeah, the pain is gone. Yeah. It's not everything that is prayer, tongue. Sometimes go and sort yourself out.
After you sort yourself out, there you go.
Yeah, you gotta be Thanksgiving. Oh man, it's really good.
So your own is here, and what it's supposed to look like is here. So we'll do a side-by-side comparison. You see the straightness here?
Yeah.
We'll see within this here. Comes straight and then it starts to deviate to the right. It comes back straight. Muscles attached to the spine. Obviously the tissues, the disc and so on. So in the spine, which is the insertions for the muscles and so on, is deviating, it's basically pulling one side more.
Yeah. I see.
The neck, first things first, you see the space here?
Yeah.
See how narrow this is. So even if I didn't ask you if you had any headaches, I would have asked you now. It's not every case that's like this. It means they have headaches, but most of the time.
Yeah.
When there's compression.
Yeah, I see it.
Also, you see the curve here. Your arm is all the way forward instead of being here.
Oh.
So that's what we call an anterior head carriage, meaning once you slouch, your neck will come forward. It's almost impossible to sit here and have your neck here.
Yeah.
But my neck is still here. Watch when I slouch.
Yeah.
It seems like it's normal.
Yeah.
So that aspect of sitting upright,
It's important.
100%.
You have to get all those things that help you sit up.
That one will weaken the muscle.
Oh yeah?
So the goal is to work on it naturally. You won't be perfect. It's just when you're like this, once you remember, you just come back up. Okay? So we have work to do. But you doing your best to implement the health tips plus the adjustments will definitely make up some ground. Okay? Run ahead this way.
Whoa! Was that for my body? You guys put speakers on.
Because of me.
Man.
The thing is, you crack your neck and you know this is not even.
Nah, this is nothing compared to that thing I do. All those things we do like this.
It's just creating more damage. You feel the rush? You alright?
Yeah. You see that this thing, you learned it in school, it's inherited from your grandfather. Wow.
There's skills, there's gift, and there's knowledge.
I think yours is both, man.
Yeah.
Like the ones in the village don't know how to use a computer.
Good, because of this one. Down
Oh! I fell out of my soul. Should I come up?
No, one more here.
Okay.
Use stomach in. Deep breath in.
Oh, man.
Your chest is still there.
Yeah.
Your back is there. I didn't collect it already.
It's still there. It's still there. Oh, that one. I've seen that one. Oh, I've seen that one.
But you're ready for it.
Yeah.
That's you now.
Yeah. I heard this one.
The Baba of them all. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready though? Mm-hmm. You need to stretch and then make a quick adjustment. Okay, try your best to keep the head down. Deep breath in and out.
Oh my goodness.
If you're ready, you can
So
stand.
it felt like you strengthen you. How do you say?
Decompress.
Yeah, the spine. You just. Can I get over?
Yes, sir, you can get up.
Oh yeah, the pain is gone. Yeah. So when I do this before, I feel like very serious pain here.
In this area.
Yeah,
You
before.
can't even really bring
No,
it
I
down.
can't. I can't do this before. But now it's like it's.
More free.
Oh shit! Like, so yeah.
So at least now it's not just
It's
TikTok.
not everything that is prayer, tongue. Sometimes you go and sort yourself out.
After you sort yourself out, there you go.
Yeah, you gotta do Thanksgiving. Oh man, shit, good. Ooh, still going on.
You alright?
Yeah, my wife needs to come and try this. She doesn't like bones. She's a doctor. She hates bones.
Just like me, I don't like blood.
Yeah, she hates that. She's fine with blood.
Yeah.
But bones, anything broke bone.
Exactly.
I had to convince her to watch the videos. So, like,
Even watching it, she was just like,
yeah, she doesn't understand it. Oh, that's good.
you good? You feel sore?
Yeah, I feel sore a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Here and where else?
Yeah. Just here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that one is just from the last one. In this upper area.
Yeah. Cause my heart, my chest was here.
So ease off this.
It will ease off, yeah. But this is gone. This was one of my biggest, here and here.
Try to go sideways like this.
Ooh, feel sore here.
Yeah. Go this other way.
I don't feel sore here, but I feel sore here.
But once you rest and come out now, it's ease off.
Oh. Wonderful.
It's real. Thank you for doing
Oh.
Ow! Jehovah, that won't enter.
Bro, this thing is real. I swear, this thing is real.